In this module, you will learn about the spread of the Vedic civilization in the later Vedic period. After 12th century BC, the Rig Veda was written down and the Aryans moved further towards the Ganga river. This period is known as the later Vedic period. The archaeological excavations of painted grey pottery, copper tools, and unbaked bricks of the later Vedic period have been found at Hastinapur, Atranajikera, and Kaushambi. Other prominent historical sources of this age are the Vedas, the Brahmanas, the Upanishads, and the epics. The political and cultural center during the later Vedic period was Hastinapur, the capital of the Kauravas on the fertile Gangetic plain. Gradually, the people moved to the eastern areas of northern Kosala and Videha and settled there. These places acquired fame due to the presence of Rama and King Janaka respectively. However, by the time of Buddha, King Janaka's Videha and his capital, Mithila, had lost their importance. In the place of these kingdoms, a confederacy of Vajjayans had settled, among whom the Lachavis were prominent. The Vratyas were a community who did not believe in any Vedic practices and settled in Magad. Magad had prospered under the rule of the famous king, Bimbisara. During the time of Buddha and in later days, it flourished as the capital of the empire. In this way, the people of the Vedic period had spread from the Yamuna river to the tiny kingdom of Anga on the Bengal border. The Yadavas had settled in Mathura, near Yamuna. According to the epics, the Yadavas had reached Saurashtra under the leadership of Krishna. During this age, the Vedic people had built small kingdoms with capitals and established administrative systems. The power of the king was under the control of Brahmins and traditions. The old tribes adapted themselves to the changed situations and existed for hundreds of years as Ganas and Ganasangas. The kings also performed yaganas like Rajasuya, Vajapeya, Sarvamedha, and Ashwamedha to win the people's respect, and they came to be called Samrats. People in the later Vedic age knew the use of metals like gold, silver, copper, bronze, tin, lead, and iron. They used implements made from iron to cut down forests and extend towns, and iron weapons to tame elephants. The people had also learned cultivation of rice. The people also carried out professions and trades of goldsmiths, basket weavers, rope weavers, cloth weavers, carpenters, potters, servants, astrologers, flute players, dancers, and merchants during this age. Thus, unique cultural developments originated and took root in India. Let us now recap all the important points that we have covered in this module on the later Vedic age.